Photo printers that fit on a desk or travel in a bag have become essential for preserving memories in tactile form. This category spans compact dye-sub or zinc-based units that emphasize speed, print longevity, paper size, and ease of use with mobile devices.
List number 1. Line M100 4x6 photo printer. The Line M100 sits at the premium end of this batch, with a complete 4x6 dye sublimation solution. The package is substantial, including 100 sheets, 3 color cartridges, a sealed cassette, and a compact, magnetically clean housing designed for minimal footprint storage. Its key selling point is true dye sublimation printing with a laminated, water, and fade-resistant surface, plus a standalone Wi-Fi hotspot that eliminates dependence on external networks. The device also claims borderless printing and multi-device support up to 5 simultaneous connections, managed via the Line app. In use, the M100 delivers consistent color depth and robust protection for printed photos with a 300 by 300 dpi equivalent resolution spec. Setup is straightforward. Connect to the printer's hotspot, install the app, and verify cartridge alignment before printing. The device is relatively light at about 6.32 pounds and ships with a practical 4x6 media format. However, the workflow hinges on proprietary Line cartridges, which can affect long-term running costs and availability. The 59-second initial print time and 1 ppm color speed are acceptable for a portable printer, but not a fast option for high-volume needs. Best use cases include family albums, event mementos, and quick archival prints at home or in a small office.
List number 2. Kodak Step Instant Smartphone Photo Printer. The Kodak Step is a compact, pocketable, zinc-based printer that leverages zero-ink technology to deliver sticky-back 2x3-inch prints. It emphasizes portability and immediate sharing with Bluetooth and NFC connectivity and a robust editing app for collages, filters, borders, and text. The device is designed for quick, casual prints from a smartphone, making it ideal for scrapbooks, lockers, or desk decorations. Its small footprint and lightweight build are standout advantages at a budget-friendly price. Performance-wise, the Step printer produces decently sharp images with water and smudge resistance due to zinc paper. The 2x3 size is convenient for decor and labeling, but limits the appeal for more formal photos. Print speed is about 1 ppm, which is acceptable for hobby usage, but not for rapid batch printing. Battery life claims, print counts per charge, are reasonable for on-the-go use, though users should be mindful of replacement paper costs and the non-recomposed color gamut compared to larger dye-sub options. The official app supports collages and stickers, providing a fun editing experience for casual users.
List number 3. HPRT 4x6 photo printer with 20-sheet photo paper. HPRT's CP4100 printer targets home use with a bundle approach. It ships with 20 sheets of 4x6 paper in a ribbon and uses thermal dye sublimation to deliver durable color prints. The device emphasizes Wi-Fi connectivity and easy setup with the HeyPhoto app, aiming to be a plug-and-print solution for casual photographers. At 1.14 pounds, it's notably portable for a 4x6 dye-sub printer, and its design focuses on quick, true color printing with lamination integrated into the process. In practice, the HPRT printer offers sharp 300 dpi equivalent output in a straightforward workflow that suits families and small home offices. The instruction flow, install app, connect to the printer's Wi-Fi, load paper, print, is largely intuitive, and the lamination helps protect prints against dust and water. However, the device's performance is limited by its modest max input in sheet count, which can be a constraint for larger print runs. The price point at $119.99 presents strong value for the feature set, but long-term consumable costs and ink ribbon replacements should be considered against pure dye-sub competitors.
List number 4. Canon Selfie CP1500 Wireless Compact Photo Printer. The Canon Selfie CP1500 is a long-standing portable dye-sub option with a strong emphasis on wireless printing, a sizable 3.5-inch display, and broad device compatibility.
It supports Wi-Fi, USB, and memory card connectivity, enabling flexible print sources from smartphones to cameras and PCs. The CP1500 is designed for desk or travel use, with a compact footprint and optional battery pack for on-the-go printing. Canon's ecosystem and print longevity, up to 100 years for the print, are highlighted benefits. Performance-wise, the CP1500 brings reliable, vibrant 4x6 prints with a decent initial page time of around 41 seconds. The user experience is boosted by the color editing options on the built-in display and the ability to print directly from multiple sources. However, the CP1500 sits at a higher price point and relies on Canon's proprietary ink and paper system, which can drive consumables costs. In real-world use, it excels for people who value a premium brand experience, print longevity, and a strong selection of media.
List number 5. Kodak Step Instant Smartphone Photo Printer, Portable Mini Color Wireless Mobile Printer. The Kodak Step White variant mirrors the Black Step model, offering the same pocket-size, zinc-based printing with a white chassis. It's designed for quick, casual prints from mobile devices with a simple app, and it emphasizes the same 2x3-inch sticky-back paper format for easy post-print use. The white color option is aesthetically distinct and targeted at users who want their printer to blend with lighter home decor or travel gear. In use, the step prints are best for immediate small format projects, stickers, labels, or quick scrapbooking accents. The 2x3 size constrains the subject matter, making it less suitable for formal photos or detailed portraits. The overall user experience is consistent with the block variant, including Bluetooth and NFC pairing, a straightforward app, and a print-on-the-go workflow. The main trade-off remains print size and color fidelity compared to dye-sub 4x6 printers, but the cost and portability are compelling for casual users.